Honey Brown Big Energy. This multi-level brunette and blonde, with a subtle hint of pastels, is a fusion of timeless elegance and contemporary flair. The tones are carefully crafted to mimic the allure of natural sunlight dancing on hair. Section the hair into 4 quadrants with a side part. We will start by adding CHI Bleach and Shine and 20 volume with a 1:1/2 mixing ratio. Then, add 3 pumps of CHI Bond Rebuilder. For the next highlighter, add CHI Bleach and Shine and 30 volume with a 1:1/2 mixing ratio. Again, add 3 pumps of CHI Bond Rebuilder to the mixture. Mist the hair with CHI Bond and seal. Apply the first formula to the 2 back sections. Starting in the back left quadrant, using a weaving technique, feather up to the roots with 1/2 inch sectioning. Mist the hair before each foil for even porosity. Artist tip: locking the corner of the foil in a diagonal will keep fine hair from slipping and help avoid bleed spots. Continue the same technique until all 4 quadrants are complete. At the front hairline, using a slicing technique with a 1/4 inch section, use 2 foils back to back to create a money piece. Section hair into 4 quadrants. Make a square section on the back of the crown at the center as if you were performing a partial foil. Leave a square section out below the upper square section. For our first turner formula, we need 2.5 ounces of royal violet, 1/2 ounce of violet additive, and 2 ounces of 10 volume developer, formulated with the LG CHI Color Master Factory. For our second toner formula, we will use 1 ounce of 10I, 1 ounce of 10A, 3 shots of violet additive, and 2 ounces of 10 volume. Apply the first toner formula to the entire bottom section. Work color into the hair for even processing. Then apply the same formula into root areas of the remaining hair. Now apply the second toner formula to the mid-sections and ends of the hair, melting the formulas together. Process for 25 minutes. After processing, shampoo the hair using CHI Royal Treatment Color Gloss Shampoo. Follow with CHI Royal Treatment Color Gloss Conditioner. The colors, paired with 70s-inspired voluminous curls, invite you to embrace the essence of an era where bold, audacious style reigned supreme. This is Honey Brown Big Energy from Rouge de CHI.